I was actually a physical education and a school teacher for several years. And I was ready to change my career and do something different. A very wise person said that I'm good with people and I should look into real estate. And 24 years later, I'm still doing that. And that wise person was my wife. The perfect client would be somebody that really wants my advice and expertise, and somebody that wants direct and honest answers. We're not selling used cars or TVs. These are lifelong clients that we want to have in a relationship for a long time and not just sell one house and set it and forget it. We want to sell them multiple properties over a lifetime of our career and also get referrals from those clients. I think the biggest thing that the clients appreciate that I'm working with is that I'm direct and honest, and that I'm going to definitely fight for them during the entire transaction. I will actually lose a deal to save the client all the time. So the deal is not that important. It's keeping the client happy throughout the process.